Are you trying to decide between Clipchamp and Shotcut? Let's dive into the details. In this video, we'll compare these two popular video editing tools. Both aim to help you create stunning videos, but they do it in different ways. Clipchamp is an online video editor. It's user friendly and great for beginners. You can edit videos directly in your browser. It offers templates, stock footage, and simple tools for trimming and adding text. This makes it easy to put together a polished video quickly. On the other hand, Shotcut is a free, open source software. It's more powerful and has a steeper learning curve. Shotcut allows for more advanced editing features. You can work with multiple tracks and apply various filters. It's perfect for those who want more control over their editing process. Now, let's talk about the key differences. Clipchamp is cloud based, while Shotcut is a downloadable software. This means you can access Clipchamp from anywhere, but Shotcut requires installation on your computer. When it comes to features, Clipchamp shines with its templates and stock library. Shotcut, however, offers more advanced editing tools like keyframes and 4K support. If you need quick edits and easy access, Clipchamp is the way to go. For more detailed editing, Shotcut is better suited. In terms of pricing, Clipchamp has free and paid plans depending on what features you need. Shotcut is completely free, which is a big plus for budget conscious creators. So, who should choose what? If you are a beginner or need fast results, go with Clipchamp. But if you want to dive deeper into video editing and don't mind a learning curve, Shotcut is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.